Hello, welcome back to LK Tuition. My name's Lucas and today we're continuing with solving equations, but this time we've got some brackets involved. So we're going to figure out how to sort that and then solve them as normal. So basically, most of the time when solving equations with brackets, the best thing to do is just expand the brackets and then solve as normal. So for example, 2 brackets x plus 5 equals 3 brackets 2x plus 3. Let's just expand those brackets out. So the left hand side is going to become 2x plus 10 and the right hand side is going to become 6x plus 9. Then we can use what we did on the previous video, get the x's onto the same side. So we get that 10 equals 4x plus 9, so we've just taken away 2x from both sides. Then we take away the 9, so you get 4x is 1, divide by 4, x is a quarter. Okay, so hopefully the other bits aren't too new, but all we're doing is expanding the brackets and then cracking on as usual. Okay, so here are a few to have a go at. Feel free to pause the video, have a go, otherwise we shall do them together. Okay, so number 1, we've got 4 brackets t minus 5 equals minus 18. So let's just expand the brackets then. So 4 times t is 4t, and 4 times minus 5 is minus 20, and we've got minus 18 on the right. Then we solve as normal. So the first thing we want to do is add 20 to both sides, and we're going to end up with 4t equals minus 18 plus 20 is 2. And then we just want to divide by 4 on both sides, and you're going to end up with t is 2 over 4, which is the same as a half. And that's our answer. Okay, next one. So we've got 7 brackets 3u plus 8 equals 4u minus 12. So again, we'll just expand these brackets. 7 times 3u is 21u. 7 times 8 is 56. And then we've still got 4u minus 12 on the left. Then we've got u's on both sides. So let's take away the smallest one, which is the 4u. On both sides, and we're going to end up with 17u plus 56 equals minus 12. Then we want to take away the 56 from both sides, so we're going to end up with 17u equals minus 68, and then finally we just divide by 17. And you're going to end up with u is minus 68 divided by 17 is minus 4. Okay, great. All right, next one, we've got 3 brackets 2x minus 2 plus x is 29. So let's expand these brackets. So 3 times 2x is 6x. And then 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. And then we've still got a plus x, and this equals 29. Then we just need to collect like terms a bit. So we've got 6x here, and then we've got another x. So this is 7x minus 6 equals 29. Then we want to add the 6. So we end up with 7x equals 35. And then divide by 7, x is 5. Okay, great. And then the last one, so we'll just move a little bit quicker as we get more confident, hopefully. So expanding the first one, we've got 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. 3 times 2y is 6y. And then expanding the second one, 5 times 3y is 15y, and 5 times minus 15 is minus 75. Then we want to take away, we've got y's on both sides, so let's take away 6y from both sides. We end up with minus 3 is 9y minus 75. Then we want to add the 75, so we're going to get, let's just use a different colour, we're running out of space here. We're going to get 9y is minus 3 plus 75 is 72, and so that means that y must be 8. Okay, all right, I hope that all made sense. Now, one thing to look out for with brackets is there might be an occasion where you notice that the number on the outside of the bracket is a factor of the other side. So, for example, if we've got 2 brackets x plus 5 equals 8, we could expand this bracket, or you could notice that 2 goes into 8. And actually, we could then just divide by 2 on both sides, and you'll end up with x plus 5 is 8 divided by 2, which is 4. And then, so that is easy to solve, and you get x is minus 1. Okay, so here are just a few to try, which should be a bit more straightforward. But yeah, good luck. Have a go. Otherwise, we shall do it together. All right, so the first one then, we've got 5 brackets p plus 7 is 25. 5 goes into 25, so if we divide both sides by 5, we're going to end up with p plus 7 equals 25 divided by 5, which is 5. And then just take away the 7, so you're going to get p is 5 minus 7, which is minus 2. Okay, next one, 7 brackets 3u plus 8 is 70. So we can divide both sides by 7, so you're going to get 3u plus 8 is 10. Then we can take away 8 from both sides. So you end up with 3u equals 2. And then finally, we can divide by 3. And you end up with u equals 2 over 3, which we can leave as a fraction. All right, next one. So we've got 3 brackets 2x minus 2 is 24. So again, divide by the 3, you're going to end up 2x minus 2 equals 24 divided by 3 is 8. Then we want to add the 2. So let me just use different colours. So we want to add the 2 to both sides. You're going to end up with 2x equals 10. And then divide by 2. You're going to end up with x is 5. All right, and then the last one. So we've got 4 brackets 2y minus 9 equals 8 brackets 3y minus 15. Okay, so 4 goes into 8, so we can definitely divide both sides by 4. So on the left, we're going to get 2y minus 9. And on the right, well, 8 divided by 4 is 2, so we're still going to get brackets. I don't know what I've done with my equal sign there. I tried to correct it, ended up being a right royal mess. There we go. And then, so 8 divided by 4 is just going to be 2. So we've still got our brackets there of 3y minus 15. Then we can expand those. So 2y minus 9 on the left. And if we expand this, we get 6y minus 30. We want to bring the y's together. So let's take away the 2y. So we've got minus 9 equals 4y minus 30. Then I'll just move over to the right. At the 30, we're going to get 4y equals 21. And so y is just going to be 21 over 4. Okay, so I hope you found that helpful. So those are solving equations with brackets. We'll do some more in the next video on different types of solving. But otherwise, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I shall see you soon for some more maths videos.